with Vlogmas day 19. Almost done with Vlogmas. Almost done with the whole year, which is why today we're going to be making my 2024 vision board. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like for me. I try to do this every year. I like to make them for my lock screens. Some people like to make physical posters. Vision boards, mood boards can be done however you like them, obviously, and for whatever purpose you like them. Sometimes it's nice just to make, to have, to look at. You don't have to post it anywhere. I like it on my phone as my background just because it's like daily reminder. It's almost like a manifestation. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys along when I do this. How I do it, it's pretty easy. I don't do anything hard. Real quick, if you have not entered my giveaway, make sure you go enter my giveaway on my Instagram. I will have the post right here, so you'll just find my Instagram, and then you can enter an extra time every single day by following along with Vlogmas. So the secret emoji for today is going to be right here, so you will just comment this emoji under this post and you'll be entered an extra time. But without further ado, let's get into it. You guys already know I have my special notebook that I wrote everything down on. I already started making a list. Brainstorming starts here, but really the first thing you're gonna do is Canva. So that's this app right here. Here we go, Canva. So it looks like that. Oh, this is the one I picked out. So then you can go on Canva and you will just search, and I searched vision boards. Yeah, so I searched vision boards and I found a few that I liked. So just find a template that you like. You can also do this without a template from Canva. Canva's free though, it's a free app. But yeah, I have done it on my own without a template, but it just takes so much longer, and to be honest, it looks better when I use a template. So this is the one that I found. Yeah, so this is the one that I found that we're gonna use today. And then I counted how many photos are on here. So there's 17 photos, so I at least need like 17 photos slash themes. And then there is 5 of these little, like the little words that they have there. So I came up with 5 little words that I can, mine are more like sayings than words, that I can put there. And then I'm gonna take out, I don't like how it says vision board in the middle, so I'm gonna take that part out. I already wrote down, I couldn't think of 17. I thought of 14 themes, because obviously I want them to be like organic. So you can have like reoccurring pictures out of 5 phrases. So we're just gonna go through them and then I'll show you what I do. So the first one is esthetician. If you guys don't know, that's my job. So obviously we want to grow that business, grow that knowledge this year and every year. So then I go to my Pinterest and I search esthetician aesthetic. I just add aesthetic to the end to velvet. And you'll want to have a theme as far as like colors. So I normally either like super neutrals or like a dark theme, kind of like my Instagram is all like a dark theme. And then my old one that was on my phone was like a dark theme, or I like neutrals. So then I'll go through a bunch of aesthetic photos. Let's find a good one. Okay, like I think this one is really pretty. It's just a room. So we're gonna pin it. And then I'm gonna do create a board on Pinterest if you know how to use Pinterest. And then you can also screenshot this if you don't have a Pinterest account and don't feel like making one. I just prefer Pinterest because you can make your own boards and that way it's all in one place. So we're gonna do 2024 vision board. And then I'll go through this and I'll add a couple photos. So I don't want just like one of each photo, I want a few of each, so that way I have options. So I just go through this and anything I like the aesthetic of that I think is cute, I'll save. You're not gonna have to use all of these, but we want to use some. Then after I have a few, we're gonna do our next one, which is Pilates slash working out, because you guys know I like to work out. I like my Pilates. Okay, next is eating healthy. That's another thing that's really important to me, and you can totally use some of your own photos that you have. I personally just like using more aesthetic photos than the ones that I have, but that's just me. Next one is reading. That's a hobby of mine that I like reading, and I definitely want to read more. I felt like last year, like not this year, but last year, I read so much, and then this year I had a really busy year, but I just did not read that much. I still read. I think I've read like maybe 5 books this year, but last year I read like 14, so yeah, I just feel like to prioritize that more. Sometimes I just start doing, I just like get out of the zone. I don't know, but I did read bigger books this year. But yeah, definitely something I want to focus more on in 2024 because it's a hobby of mine. Oh look, this one's cute. Taylor Swift is playing in the back. That one's gonna make it in. I can tell you that right now. Next is friendships. So they don't have to be like real photos of your friends or real photos of like random people being friends. Like this one's cute to me. Next one I have on here is traveling. Ooh, let's do one with a passport because we want to travel out of the country. Let's do some flights. Yeah, literally just saving or screenshotting any photos that you think are aesthetic and cute. Next one, YouTube, duh. But yeah, I feel like we are obviously doing 25 videos in a row. We're ending 2023 with a bang. So I just have good hopes for doing content and stuff for this coming up year. Just know we're gonna kill it. And then sometimes I like to save posts like this where it just says content creator and isn't aesthetic, you know, something that we're looking at. It's just like words. But I might not use that, who knows, we don't know. But I do like to save stuff like that just in case and use those as photos too sometimes. Inspiring quotes if I come across them. Okay, next one is buying a house because that's just a goal of mine. I don't know if that's even a goal of mine for 2024, but it's definitely a goal of mine to get closer to that goal in 2024. Next one is money. Who doesn't want to make money, right? But yeah, making money, saving money, all that good stuff. We're gonna do relationships because I don't need a relationship this next year, but we want to keep our minds, our options open to it, you know? So yeah, just like something like that. Or I want to find one that's like 2 glasses together. What are 2 glasses together? Okay, and then we have concerts / raves. I feel like I went to a rave this year. Did I go to it? I went to like small concerts. I don't think I went to a big concert. Yeah, I love going to concerts, so I definitely want to do that more this year. Did I go to a concert this year? It's depressing. I don't think I did. Oh, I went to Maroon 5. That's like that was a small concert that I got for free from my work, so I feel like that doesn't count. We have skincare / makeup. I'm like a vanity aesthetic. And the thing is, it pops up. Like, that's why I love Pinterest. It just knows what I want. It knows what I'm talking about. It knows what I want. I just have like fit aesthetics, so like fitness, girlies, I don't know. I don't want to do like entirely like body goals because I don't like the idea of that, but just like, you know, the fitness queens. Oh my gosh, she's in a middle split. I should do that. I should put that on my vision boards because I want to get the splits. I used to have them way back in the day. Okay, then the last one is tattoos. Will I get more tattoos this year? Who knows, but I want to. I feel like I've been saying that for years and I've gotten little random ones, but like I want to do something with this. I don't know what we want to do with it, but something. And this is another reason why I like doing it on Pinterest. So we have our whole board. I'll show you a little overview of what I did. So just some that we added. Okay, so that's what we added. This is why I like Pinterest though, because they have more ideas. So we'll click on that and it will show me all these things that are like in the same realm of what I was doing, and you can just easily add them. So I like to go through this, and then once I do that, we're going back to Canva and we're literally just gonna use this template and we're just gonna play around and add the stuff. So actually I'm gonna add all these in and then I'll show you guys when I'm done because it'll take me a minute to play with them. I like to like switch around photos until I like the way it looks. I will be RB. Okay guys, we have finished. I feel like I've been doing this for an hour. I probably have been doing this for an hour. She looks fantastic. So good. So now this is gonna be my background, and I'll put it right here in case you guys want to look at mine. I think she's super cute. That's pretty much it. That's how I make it. It's nothing really that complicated, but now you guys know kind of where my vision board is, where I want my vision board to be. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you make your own vision boards, please let me see them. I love seeing other people's vision boards. But yeah, that's the whole video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you liked it. And yeah, I will literally see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.